Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. Let's get crafting. We are going to make a sign. That's what you'll need. And I'm using this thankful sign from last year from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to use the back of it because I'm going to make it look like a shadow box instead of just a flat sign. So I'm going to tape off the edges of the box because I want them to be brown and I want the inside or the bottom to be white. So we're just going to tape off the inside. Does that make sense? I don't know if that's making sense. So this is what it should look like. So you've got the edges taped off inside. And then we're just going to paint it. And I used a brush first and that left lines, of course. And so once it dried, then I did go back and I used a dauber to make it look not streaky. So here's my little dauber just going through and just second coat of paint basically is all I'm doing. Which you probably could have done with the paintbrush, but I chose the dauber just to make sure I wouldn't get any lines. And then we'll go ahead and take off that tape from inside the box because we are all done with painting. Now this box had little clouds on the outside edge of the box, which I was okay with on this instance. This is a sign that I'm making for my husband, and it says it was always you. And so I was okay with the clouds. I mean, I probably would have preferred it all be one color, but whatever. I was fine with it. So then I used my silhouette to cut out the words, "It was always you," which is from a sign I saw at Hobby Lobby. So that's what I'm doing here is I'm just weeding out the words from the vinyl here. And I believe that was probably Dollar Tree vinyl that I'm using here. And that little deal there is a nail polish holder, also from Dollar Tree. And it does work well to help catch your weeding garbage, I guess. Is that what it is? I don't know. And so once you've got it all weeded out, then I'm going to go ahead and put my transfer tape down. And make sure it's attached on really well. Sometimes it doesn't always catch. I don't know if it's the transfer tape that I'm using or the vinyl, but sometimes it doesn't always catch. So just make sure you've got it down good. And then I'm just going to center it on my little sign. And that's it. This is my husband's little shrine. I've moved his shrine from the fireplace over to this small table on the side of the living room there. And it just says "It was always you." It's very simple. I made him a little box that has some of his goodies in there. Some of you may not know I lost my husband just over a year ago, and I miss him dearly, and this is my way of honoring him. So I thank you so much for stopping by today. Please do give the video a big thumbs up, and go ahead and leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe, and make sure to hit the bell when you subscribe so you know when the next video is coming out. Thanks so much. Remember to appreciate today. Tomorrow's never promised.